Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're delving into something that's truly groundbreaking. DJI, yes, the drone and action camera giant, has just launched an electric mountain bike. Introducing the Amflow PL and its innovative Avinox M1 motor. Let's go check it out. First off, let's talk about the stunning design of the Amflow PL. This isn't just a rebranded bike, it's engineered from the ground up, and it looks fantastic. The bike comes in an impressive carbon fiber frame that weighs just 2.27 kilograms. When it comes to the complete bike, the weight can go as low as 19.2 kilograms with a 600 Wh battery. It's lightweight and ready for serious trail action. Let's talk performance. The Avinox M1 motor is a real game changer. Weighing only 2.52 kilograms, it delivers up to 120 Nm of torque and a peak power of 1000 watts. That's more powerful than many competitors like Shimano and Bosch, and it's set to shake up the e-MTB market. And get this, the Avinox M1 motor features 5 assist modes. You've got options. There's even a special auto mode that adjusts the output based on your riding conditions and a boost mode that unleashes all that power for intense climbs or fast descents. Now, regarding the battery, you can choose between 600 Wh and 800 Wh options. And charging? With DJI's high-performance charger, you can go from 0 to 75% in just 90 minutes. Perfect for those on-the-go days. Suspension is crucial for a good ride, and the Amflow PL doesn't disappoint. It features a 160mm travel fork and 150mm of rear travel courtesy of a robust 4-bar suspension platform. Whether you're tackling rocky trails or smooth paths, this bike can handle it. And check this out, the Amflow PL has dual 29-inch wheels as standard, but it also features a flip chip that allows riders to swap in a 27.5-inch rear wheel if that's more your style. Versatility, right? Now, let's talk technology. The Amflow PL has a sleek 2-inch OLED touchscreen that shows you everything: speed, altitude, cadence, and even gradient, all powered by an integrated GPS sensor. It's like having a mini computer right on your bike. And a wireless controller near your grip lets you easily switch between assist modes. Keeping track of the ride has never been easier. Alright, what about the price? The Amflow PL starts at $9,399 for the entry-level model, which comes with an 800 Wh battery. Several authorized dealers are set to roll out in markets like China, Germany, the UK, and Australia. So, what do you think? Is the Amflow PL truly as revolutionary as it sounds? Will DJI disrupt the e-MTB market? We can't wait to find out. Stay tuned for our in-depth review where we'll put this bike to the test on the trails. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content. Have thoughts on the Amflow PL? We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time on the trail.